Hello everyone! Welcome back to Have Fun with Shapes with Susan. Today we're gonna make a big green vegetable. It's called cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage. Let's get started.
What? Is it a cabbage? I think it looks like a flower. No. Look at the circles that we have. Green, 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 green. We have 5 green circles. We're gonna make cabbage. Step 1. Let's start from this small green circle. And let's put the second green circle over here. One bigger circle. This is of a darker color because we have 3 pieces of leaves. The second darker green circle and the smallest circle. Look, yummy cabbage. Where's the rabbit? Come and eat.
Ta-da! This is our cabbage. Cabbage, cabbage. It looks so delicious. I think a rabbit would be very happy to see this. And I love cabbage soup. Do you like cabbage soup too? Okay, see you next time.